अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन, न्यू वीडियो से हाजिर हूँ और मैं आप लोगों को बताने जा रहा हूँ जनरल नॉलेज के हवाले से। ये हमारा 32वां पेपर है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एब्रीवेशंस क्वेश्चंस। इसमें तमाम क्वेश्चन एब्रीवेशंस के हवाले से होंगे, जो कि जॉब्स में अक्सर ये पूछे जाते हैं। मोस्ट रिपीटेड ये क्वेश्चंस हैं। आज के हमारे टॉपिक में जो है MCQs नहीं होंगे, जस्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर होंगे और 100 कंप्लीट क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आपने वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर एंड तक देखना है, इससे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होने वाला है। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। तो फ्रेंड्स, इससे पहले हमारे 31 पेपर अपलोड हो चुके हैं, जो जॉब्स के हवाले से मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस है, वो भी आप देखें। उनका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगा, वो भी आप देख सकते हैं। उससे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा। और आपने वीडियो के लास्ट में लाजमी बताना है कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और कितने क्वेश्चन के आंसर आपको आते थे और कितने नहीं आते थे। आपको जो है किस टॉपिक पर जनरल की वीडियोज़ चाहिए, तो आपने लास्ट में ज़रूर बताना है। तो फ्रेंड, चलते अपनी वीडियोज़ की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारे पास, AAA स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर है हमारे पास एग्रीकल्चर एडजस्टमेंट एक्ट। तो इसका ये आंसर है। एब्रीविएट इनको जो है किया गया और नीचे जो उनका आंसर दिया गया है। तो इस तरह के 100 क्वेश्चन हमारे पास होंगे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ABAD स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर एजेंसी फॉर बैरानी एरिया डेवलपमेंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ABL स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर है हमारे पास अलाइड बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ABM स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर इज एंटी बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, ABN स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर इज एशियन बिजनेस न्यूज़। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, ABU स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर है हमारे पास एशियन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग यूनियन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, ACA स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर इज एसोसिएशन ऑफ द चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, ACC स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर इज अरब कोऑपरेशन काउंसिल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, ACR स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर इज एनुअल कॉन्फिडेंशियल रिपोर्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, ADA स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर इज एयरपोर्ट डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, ADB स्टैंड्स फॉर। आंसर इज एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, ADBP stands for. Answer is Agricultural Development Bank of Pakistan. Next question, question number 13, ADF stands for. Answer is Asian Development Fund. Next question, question number 14, ADM stands for. Answer is Admiral. Next question, question number 15, ADP stands for. Answer is Annual Development Program. Next question, question number 16, AEC stands for. Answer is Army Education Corps. Next question, AEC stands for Atomic Energy Commissions. To answer. Next question, question number 17, AEDB stands for. Answer is Alternate National Electric Energy. Next question, question number 18, AEUC stands for. Answer is Arab Economic Unity Council. Next question. Question number 19. AFC stands for. Answer is Asian Football Confederation. Next question. Question number 20. AFTA stands for. Answer is Asian Free Trade Area. Next question. Question number 21. AG stands for. Answer is Accountant General or Advocate General. Next question. Question number 22. AGM stands for. Answer is Annual General Meeting. Next question. Question number 23. AGPR stands for. Answer is Accountant General of Pakistan Revenues. Next question. Question number 24. AHF stands for. Answer is Asian Hockey Federation. Next question. Question number 25. AI stands for. Answer is Amnesty International or Air India. Two answers. Next question. Question number 26. AIC stands for. Answer is Arab Investment Company. Next question. Question number 27. AID stands for. Answer is Agency for International Development. Next question. Question number 28. AIMC stands for. Answer is Allama Iqbal Medical College in Pakistan. Next question. Question number 29. AIOU stands for. Answer is Allama Iqbal Open University in Pakistan. Next question. Question number 30. AIP stands for. Answer is Afghan Islamic Press. Next question. Question number 31. AJK stands for. Answer is Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Question number 32. AKDN stands for. Answer is Aga Khan Development Network. Next question. Question number 33. AKF stands for. Answer is Aga Khan Foundation. Next question. Question number 34. AL stands for. Answer is Arab League. Original name League of Arab States. Next question. Question number 35. A level stands for. Answer is Advanced Level. Next question. Question number 36. AMF stands for. Answer is Arab Monetary Fund. Next question. Question number 37. AMU stands for. Answer is Arab Maghreb Union. Next question. Question number 38. ANC stands for. Answer is African National Congress. Next question. Question number 39. ANF stands for. Answer is Anti-Narcotic Force in Pakistan. Next question. Question number 40. ANN stands for. Answer is Asian News Network. Next question, question number 41. ANTF stands for, answer is Anti-Narcotics Task Force. Next question, question number 42. APC stands for, answer is Agricultural Price Communication or All Parties Conference. Two answers. Next question, question number 43. APEC, APEC stands for, answer is Asian Pacific Economic Corporation. Next question, question number 44. APFTU stands for, answer is All Pakistan Federation of Trade Unions. Next question, question number 45. APHC stands for, answer is All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Next question, question number 46. API stands for, answer is Associated Press of India. Next question, question number 47. APNS stands for, answer is All Pakistan Newspaper Society. Next question, question number 48. APP stands for, answer is Associated Press of Pakistan. Next question, question number 49. APRC stands for, answer is Asia Pacific Regional Committee. Next question, question number 50. APTEC stands for, answer is All Pakistan Technology Engineers Council. Next question, question number 51. APTMA stands for, answer is All Pakistan Textile Mills Association. Next question, question number 52. APWA stands for, answer is All Pakistan Women's Association. Next question, question number 53. ARD stands for, answer is Alliance for Restoration of Democracy. Next question, question number 54. ARF stands for, answer is ASEAN Regional Forum. Next question, question number 55. ARI stands for, answer is Agricultural Research Institute. Next question, question number 56. ASEAN stands for, ASEAN stands for, answer is Association of Southeast Asia Nations. Next question, question number 57. ASF stands for, answer is Airport Security Force. Next question, question number 58. ASIP stands for, answer is Agriculture Sector Investment Project. Next question, question number 59. ATA stands for, answer is Anti-Terrorist Act. Next question, question number 60. ATM stands for, answer is Automated Teller Machine. Next question, question number 61. AW stands for, answer is Asia Watch or Atomic Weight. To answer. Next question, question number 62. AWACS stands for? Answer is Airborne Warning and Control System. Next question, question number 63. BA stands for? Answer is Bachelor of Arts or British Academy or British Airways. 3 options. Next question, question number 64. BCom stands for? Answer is Bachelor of Commerce. Next question, question number 65. BEd stands for? Answer is Bachelor of Education. Next question, question number 66. BSc stands for? Answer is Bachelor of Science. Next question, question number 67. BASATA, BASATA stands for? Answer is British and South Asian Trade Association. Next question, question number 68. BBC stands for? This is a news network. Answer is British Broadcasting Corporation. Next question, question number 69. BDS stands for? Answer is Bachelor of Dental Surgery or Bump Disposal Squad. To answer. Next question, question number 70. BE stands for? Answer is Bill of Entry or Bill of Exchange or Bachelor of Engineering. 3 आंसर. इनमें से जो आपके मल्टीपल चॉइसेस में आ जाए पेपरों में तो उसको आपने सिलेक्ट कर लेना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 71. BEL Bell stands for? Answer is Bankers Equity Limited. Next question, question number 72. BIS stands for? Answer is British Information Services or Bank for International Settlements. Next question, question number 73. BISE stands for? Answer is Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. Next question, question number 74. BOP stands for? Answer is Bank of Punjab. Next question, question number 75. BP stands for? Answer is blood pressure or boiling point or blueprint. 3 answers. Next question, question number 76. BPS stands for? Answer is Basic Pay Scale for employee. Basic pay scale. Next question, question number 77. BRBM stands for? Answer is Battlefield Range Ballistic Missile. Next question, question number 78. BSF stands for? Answer is Border Society Force in India. Next question, question number 79. BTU stands for? Answer is British Thermal Unit. Next question, question number 80. CNC stands for, answer is Commander in Chief. Next question, question number 81. CA stands for, answer is current account. Next question, question number 82. CAA stands for, answer is Civil Aviation Authority. Next question, question number 83. CAD stands for, answer is Computer Aided Design. Next question, question number 84. CAR stands for, answer is Central African Republic. Next question, question number 85. CARS stands for, answer is Central Asian Republics. Next question, question number 86. CAS stands for, answer is Chief of the Air Staff. Next question, question number 87. CBI stands for, answer is Central Bureau of Investigation. Next question, question number 88. CBMS stands for, answer is Confidence Building Measures. Next question, question number 89. CBS stands for, answer is Columbia Broadcasting System. Next question, question number 90. CCI stands for, answer is Chamber of Commerce and Industry or Council of Common Interest. Two answers. Next question, question number 91. CD stands for, answer is Civil Defense or Community Development or Compact Disc. Third option is best, Compact Disc. Next question, question number 92. CDA stands for, answer is Capital Development Authority or call deposit account in a bank. First is best. To answer. Next question, question number 93. CDC stands for, answer is Commonwealth Development Program. Next question, question number 94. CDFC stands for, answer is Commonwealth Development Finance Corporation. Next question, question number 95. CDNS stands for, answer is Central Directorate of National Savings. Next question, question number 96. CDP stands for, answer is Community Development Program. Next question, question number 97. CDR stands for, answer is Call Deposit Receipts. Next question, question number 98. CEC stands for, answer is Chief Election Commissioner. Next question, question number 99. CECP stands for, answer is Cotton Export Corporation of Pakistan. Next question, question number 100 and our last question. CED stands for, answer is Central Excise Duty. तो फ्रेंड्स हमारे 100 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हुए। हमने आपसे वादा किया था, प्रॉमिस किया था कि हम आपको 100 एब्रीविएशन के क्वेश्चन देंगे। तो 100 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हुए। तो फ्रेंड्स उम्मीद करता वीडियो अच्छी लगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी है लाइक्स और कमेंट्स कीजिए, दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए। अच्छी मालूमात फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करनी चाहिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ में बेल आइकन दबा दीजिए और ऑल पे क्लिक कर दीजिए ताकि आपको पूरे पाकिस्तान जितनी भी जॉब्स की अनाउंसमेंट होती है और जनरल नॉलेज वीडियोस अपलोड की जाती है उनकी बिला तखीर आप तक नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचती रहे। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।